Let's make a Korean classic kimchi pork belly fried rice. For those who never had this, the flavors are pungent, savory, and has a little kick. The spice comes from the Korean pepper flakes Gochugaru and the Korean pepper paste Gochujang. And the kimchi is the start of the show, adding some pungency. And guess what? It's super easy to make. Let's dive into the recipe. On high heat, add oil to wok or pan. Next, add in your minced or grated garlic. Give it a stir. Once it becomes fragrant, then go ahead and add in your sliced pork belly. Next, add in some black pepper. Give it a stir and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. Once complete, scoot it to the side. Next, add in the white ends of your chopped scallions, followed by your yellow onions. Stir and combine well. Let this cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Once complete, go ahead and add in your Korean pepper flakes and Korean chili paste, Gochugaru and Gochujang. Next, let's introduce our star of the show, some sliced kimchi. Wow, look at that. At this point, the house should be smelling really good. Next, introduce your cooked jasmine rice to wok or pan. Gently break down your rice, combine and mix well. Next, add in your kimchi juice. Stir and combine everything well, shut off the heat, and it's ready to serve. I like to drizzle a little bit of sesame oil. Next, cut in some roasted seaweed, or you can crush them in. Next, add in some chopped scallion or spring onion. Next, some crispy eggs. And lastly, some toasted sesame seeds. Wow, look at that. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you love this video, hit that subscribe button to support me and let me know what you guys want me to make next. And for those who are new to my channel, I'm Harris, cooking with Mr. International, and I also do food blogging in SoCal. Follow for more. Wow, look at that.